The removal and modification of controversial access barriers along the Flintshire Coast Path will be funded by a £50,000 grant from Transport for Wales. The barriers, originally installed to prevent illegal access by vehicles such as motorbikes and quad bikes, also restricted access for disabled residents. A campaign led by Together Creating Communities and supported by several disability rights groups resulted in a review of the barriers. That review found 28 needed to be removed entirely, 42 required modifications, and only 9 met current standards. However, the councils acknowledged problems where some barriers have already been removed. Wrexham County Borough Council has reduced its social housing repair backlog by 46% in 19 months. That's despite extreme weather over the winter. Outstanding repairs dropped from around 5,500 in January 2024 to 2,951, according to an update at the Council's Homes and Environment Scrutiny Committee. The reduction comes despite a surge in requests, including 802 calls during a 4-day period in December when Storm Dara hit. The outstanding jobs affect 1,675 homes, with many needing more than one repair. Of those, 1,639 are considered overdue. A former council leader has raised alarm over population decline in rural Pembrokeshire, warning that young people are hemorrhaging away from the area. Councillor John Davis said the situation is unsustainable, with falling school enrolments and increasing pressure on local healthcare. The county has seen school numbers drop by over 2,000 since 1996, and the council is now considering the closure of 2 more schools. A coroner has called for national guidelines to be reviewed following the death of a newborn at the University Hospital of Wales in Cardiff. Lilliwen Iris Thomas died on 10th of October 2022, 20 hours after her birth. Her mother, Emily Brazier, was in a coma at the time due to a reaction to painkillers and was not monitored for an hour. An inquest earlier this month found there was a failure to take adequate care of the mother. Coroner Rachel Knight has issued a Prevention of Future Deaths report urging the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence to review its guidance.